You never know when your fall's gonna happen.
I know, it's exactly, and it's just the moment, the 1 second, and
Yeah, my girlfriend, she said, "Yep, we're one fall away from a life change."
yes.
What kind of brush do you call that?
Just little,
I know I like them for my staining.
yeah, they're just a little,
I know with my staining, I find that I'm using those a lot. But it's not like a gentle hair. It's kind of bristle.
yeah, it's just a bristle. I think you can read that little thing.
Okay, good. Yeah. Cool.
Just, and it's not, it works good for a stain, and the little bigger one.
Yeah, and they're like a dime a
Same
dozen,
thing,
right?
yeah, same thing as this one here, just a little bigger portion.
So I did fall in love with that little brush with my staining lately.
Oh yes.
And I just keep on cleaning it out. And it's
exactly.
like,
It's
some
just,
people throw them
it
away.
becomes just the best brush you can have. Yes.
This is art. Now, back in the old days when they painted with stucco, I mean, that fresco painting,
Yes.
is this what they're doing?
Yeah. This, well, actually, they just put the fresh mud on it, and you can just trowel it on, and they would use the Portland cement and everything. That's how you know.